If you're still optimizing your law firm's website the way you did in 2023, you're already behind. 58% of Google searches now end without a click. That means more than half of potential clients never even reach your beautifully designed website, even if you rank on page 1. Today, I'm breaking down the advanced SEO tactics that actually work for law firms in 2026. The search landscape has fundamentally changed. Potential clients aren't just using Google anymore. They're asking ChatGPT for attorney recommendations, using Perplexity to compare law firms, and relying on Google's AI overviews to get instant answers. Modern SEO isn't just about ranking, it's about presence across 3 distinct layers: traditional organic search, AI-powered answer engines like ChatGPT and Perplexity, and voice search through Siri and Alexa. To dominate in 2026, you need strategies that work across all 3. This brings us to GEO, Generative Engine Optimization. When someone asks ChatGPT, "Who's the best personal injury lawyer in Dallas?" these AI systems synthesize answers from multiple sources. Zero-click searches aren't going away, so smart law firms are learning to leverage them. Featured snippets, those answer boxes at the top of Google, capture approximately 35% of all clicks when they appear. To win these, format your content for extraction. Use clear question headings, provide concise 40 to 60-word answers immediately below, then follow with expanded details. Target how, what, why, and when queries. These trigger snippets most often. Don't forget about People Also Ask boxes, which appear in 43% of searches. Research PAA questions for your target keywords and create dedicated content answering each one. This is free search real estate your competitors are ignoring. At ALM Corp, we specialize in these advanced SEO strategies for law firms. Visit almcorp.com to learn how we can help you dominate Google